Hello dear viewers, in this video I'll take a topic from IELTS Speaking Part 2 and will also provide you a sample answer. As a result, you will have a clear idea how to speak very naturally on your test. So let us see the topic at first. The topic for today is describe an exercise you know, and you should say what it is, how it is done, when you first tried it, what kind of people it is suitable for, and explain why you think it is a good exercise. Well, now I'd like to talk about an exercise that I really like. This is walking. In fact, many years ago, we started to go for walking, and that was started by chance. In fact, we had no plan to go for. One day, we went for very early morning prayer, and when we came out from the mosque, we saw that weather was so wonderful because that was the spring season. Every side was very green because the new leaves in the trees, and also birds were chirping. So one of my friends said to us that it's better that we go for walking for a few minutes. We all agreed with him and went to a nearby park, and we walked around it. And while walking, on the one hand, we could enjoy the beautiful environment because the temperature was very moderate. A gentle breeze was blowing, and birds were chirping, and flowers around the garden. So everything was very mesmerizing. And we immediately understood that we need to come here for walking in every single day, because on the one hand we can enjoy the vibe of the environment. On top of that, we also can keep ourselves fit. So all we agreed with this, and since then we have been going for walking. I think this exercise is suitable for people from all walks of life. Even children can go for a walk. I think it's very important for the young persons. This is important because that would help a person to keep mentally and physically to stay very active, as long as they need to do a lot of works. So walking will help them to boost their work and also to foster their career as well. I think this exercise is most important, however, for the older people. The reason is, as long as this one is very flexible type of exercise, and they have a lot of diseases in older age. For example, people have diabetes in such age. So when they will go for walking, they can reduce their sugar level very significantly. I think this exercise is really special and I really like in compared to any other exercise. The main reason here, it doesn't really require any kind of serious equipment. For example, unlike going for gym, it's very simple. We just need to wear shoes and anyone can go for a walk. On top of that, it's not very strenuous. It's not very hard, very difficult to start with.